Welcome back to Ormond Day, everybody. We're all hunkered down for the great blizzard of 2025 as it sweeps across the Midwest. I just hunkering down out here in my winter camp. I'm all sealed in and buttoned up. I got the piano out doing a little Sunday night jamming. Hope y'all enjoy a little bit of what you hear. Thanks for sticking with me. You guys have a great winter night. I'm here for it. Join me. All right, take two.